case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The defendants were convicted of first-degree murder and sentenced to life in prison. One of them, Wilbert Mayle, appealed, citing errors in his trial and claiming that his due process rights were violated due to a delay in receiving his trial transcript. However, the court rejected his claims, stating that the delay had caused no prejudice to the case. Mayle's appeal also challenged the trial court's refusal to conduct individual interviews with the jury, especially after a juror received a threatening phone call on behalf of the defendant. The court ruled that a juror receiving a threat did not automatically warrant a mistrial unless it was clear that the juror's ability to remain impartial was jeopardized. In this case, despite the intimidation, the juror declared she was still capable of making an unbiased decision. Another point of debate was a statement made by a witness which the defendant claimed was hearsay. However, it was deemed admissible under an inspection to the hearsay rule, which allows statements made by a co-conspirator in furtherance of the conspiracy. Furthermore, the prosecution introduced evidence of prior convictions, which were more than 10 years old. This was contested by the defense, but the court ruled that prior to the enactment of the rules of evidence, there was no time restriction on the use of earlier felony convictions. The heart of the matter was the felony murder charge. The court ruled that even if the initial crime had been completed, the defendants could be charged with murder as they were still in the act of escaping and had not yet reached safety. This established that the felony murder rule could be applied even after the completion of the underlying crime. In an affirming verdict, the Supreme Court of Appeals of West Virginia upheld the lower court's judgment. The defense's claims were dismissed, and the defendant's felony conviction remained. The case notes that an individual's involvement in the commission of a felony that results in death, even if they did not directly cause that death, remains within the purview of the felony murder rule.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.